just let that shoulder relax with you. That was beautiful. And just one on this side too, I need to relax. I always say, when we have reactions like this, it's an instant change to the nervous system, like instant. The brain is instantly talking to the body better. Muscles, glands, organs, everything.
And just for the people that are watching this video, these aren't made up reactions. This guy literally changed my life. So if you're thinking about seeing a chiropractor, see this guy, because he helped me a lot.
That means the world to me, it does, because we've seen some incredible changes with you. And yeah, that's all real. It's all real. And that's how you react every time.